Global warming. The phenomenon of increasing average air temperatures near the surface of Earth. Over the past 1 to 2 centuries, climate scientists have since the mid-20th century gathered detailed observations of various weather phenomena such as temperatures, precipitation, and storms, and of giving voice to a growing conviction of most of the scientific community. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC) was formed in 1988 by the World Meteorological Organization (WMO) and the United Nations Environment Programme (UNEP). The IPCC's Sixth Assessment Report (AR6), published in 2. AR6 produced a series of global climate predictions based on modeling 5 greenhouse gas emission scenarios that accounted for future emissions, mitigation severity reduction measures, and uncertainties in the model projections. Some of the main uncertainties include the precise role of feedback, many climate scientists agree that significant societal, economic, and ecological damage would result if the global average temperature rose by more than to c. 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit in such a short time. Such damage would include increased extinction of many plant and animal species, shifts in patterns of agriculture, The AR6 report also noted that the global average sea level had risen by some 20 centimeters (7.9 inches) between 1901 and 2018, and that sea level rose faster in the second half of the 20th century than in the first half. It also predicted, again depending on a wide range of scenarios, that the global average. My little champ also making vlog at home.
क्या हो रहा है? ये बच्चा पढ़ाई कर रहा है, हमारे अंधेरे में बैठा हुआ, कुछ नज़र नहीं आ रहा है इसको।